Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Oxygen Not Included, and this is another update. As you can see here, we are looking at some of the video that was streamed last Thursday, and basically with this new update there's going to be a lot more work going into the germs. So you can see the overlay that was pulled through there, and also it talked about the immune system and how you're going to actually have the germs will attack the immune system until they get really depleted, and then they will get sick. So basically there's not many ways to deal with the germs at the moment other than to treat them with medical cots, and then we've also got wash basins. The medical cots will help them to improve their immune system, so once they have been ill, then they will actually get better from that. There's also a pathogen overlay which shows the sorts of germs that are available, so trench stench, food poisoning, the spores, and slime lung. So as you can see there, the slime lung is all over this poor dupe who is ill. This is one of the new diseases which basically affects the breathing of the dupes. So it's a case of in this recording, the poor little dupes actually didn't make it because there wasn't sufficient health there for them. So basically that's kind of what you're looking at. So you've got your wash station or wash bowls there that can, as the dupes pass it, they will wash the germs away, and that will put it into a water bottle. Now, also part of the news reports, you can actually now look at your travel time and see where all your dupes are working, so you can actually improve the efficiency of your base by looking at what's going on with those guys at any time. Also, the other beautiful thing about this is we have changed the priority system, so now buildings that do not require a priority will not have a number against them. One thing we have had a new update with is the overlay for farming. So as you can see here, we have got 5 plants, 3 of which are saying there's a problem with it. So there's one with the temperature and one with gas, and then if you click on it, then you can actually see exactly what the conditions that particular plant really likes. Now you may also make out that there is a new little creature there, which I think is called a light bug, and that will actually just generate light naturally off it. The devs have been talking about farming meat, and that's because there's going to be 6 different types of food, which potentially will include this light bug. Also now when your dupes go and mop at water, that water will no longer disappear. That will actually get bottled, and they've introduced a new bottle system for emptying water bottles. This tap, as it were, or system is actually reversible, so you can put it either direction, which actually makes things kind of interesting. No power required, you just chuck a bottle on it and it'll empty it over time. The devs were saying that you potentially will need a number of them, because as you can see there's quite a lot of bottles to deal with. So here we've got a good example of the wash basins and how you can actually have those set for going either directions, along with setting your bottle emptiers to whether you want water or polluted water. So it's a case of you can start controlling that a bit more effectively. Also, there was alluded to a couple of new dupes. So Jean here is a new design, I believe. Obviously all the other traits will basically be randomized, but yes, Jean there is a new design, and I think there's also another design of another dupe, and that's right, that's Aria there. She's a new design as well. So if you've liked what you've seen, hit the subscribe, and until next time, that's Murphy out.